Navdy lets you look forward while staying connected with your maps, your calls, your messages, and your music all projected directly in front of you so that you'll never miss a turn again or the information that matters most to you. There was a lot of opportunity to make the driving experience better, to really blend the phone into the driving experience in a way that feels natural and is easier and is more productive and is also safer at the same time.
What makes Navdy so special and the people who work here is that everybody is a unique individual. We have DJs, we have computer science people, we have people who do parades on the weekend. We have all walks of life, and that's really important to develop Navdy because everyone uses Navdy, and so we couldn't just have one person here developing a product that's made for everyone. There are a lot of things I love about Navdy, but one of my favorite things is doing Wacky Wednesdays. Like today we're going to the beach. Just really important to step away from our work and get to know each other on a personal level. That way we can all succeed together.
I think the thing that makes Navdy unique is that it's really the first product that takes your dashboard and your nav system and your stereo and your phone and it puts it all in one place, like right in front of you while you're driving. So for me, as a designer, it's a great opportunity because you get to sort of solve all these problems and combine all of this stuff into like a simple, easy to use thing that everyone can use in their car.
Yeah, I think in the end, when the consumer pulls the Navdy out of the box, I think we created a pretty elegant solution. We fit 95% of cars, short person, tall dash, short dash. In the end, it's pretty simple based on how complicated a design situation we were faced with.
When we created the mounting system for Navdy, we wanted it to feel like it was a natural part of the vehicle. So once you put it in the car, you didn't feel like it was extra. It was something that had been built in. So now we've decided to really replace all of the things that you see in the car with what's on the display. But at the same time, we constantly try and adapt to show you only the information you need at that point in time, so the UI isn't cluttered and hard to interpret, especially when you need to look down quickly and make a fast decision.
We have a multimodal input system, right? You can use gestures, you can use a steering wheel dial, you can use your voice, depending on what you're doing. And so we figured out that we wanted to reserve them for these really important interactions, these things that were sort of really temporal, like in an incoming call, for example. So it feels natural, it makes it easy, and you can do it whenever.
The people that I work with are some of the most passionate, innovative, thoughtful people that I've ever met. Making a product that is radically changing the way people drive and interact with their phones in the car.
Certainly Navdy makes sense for a person like me who has a life where I have to balance a whole bunch of things. I have to drive around, I have to take my kids around, and then I also have to keep my mind on work and make sure that I'm staying on top of what's going on at the office.
We all love Navdy. We use it all the time. So I think the most important part of it is that we're all working on something we love. Every trip I take, I use it. I notice when it's not there. It's weird if it's not in a car that I'm driving. And I think that really is a testament to you work harder on something you really care about and you care more on something you use all the time.
It has been a very long journey at Navdy, and I'm incredibly proud of what we've accomplished together as a team and the products that we've been able to bring to market. But in many ways, we're really just getting started.